Hello everyone, welcome to GIS Environmental Solution YouTube channel. I hope you are doing fine. Today we will learn how to create gradient direction for urban expansion study. We will show you estimation of land cover areas based on the gradient direction and urban sprawl mapping in the second part of this video. I'm showing you two paper for example. You can see here the authors have been used gradient direction for urban expansion study. So you can see here gradient direction uh, for the urban expansion study for land cover changes study. You can see these authors have been used 16 gradient direction. Yeah, 16 gradient direction. You can see here author have been used 16 gradient and also 8 gradients. Anyway, you can see here CBD point city center. So first we will create a buffer from a CBD point. So go to analysis tool and then proximity, then multiple ring buffer, and then input features will be CBD point, I mean city center, and then distances. I mean I'm using 2 kilometer buffer, 4 kilometer, 6 and 8 kilometer buffer. Yeah, and then buffer unit kilometers, and then click OK. So 2 4 6 and 8 kilometer buffer has been done. Make it hollow for all 2 4 6 and 8. Now we will create a direction. You can create 8 gradient direction, or you can create 16 direction. So first we will create shapefile for direction. So go to shapefile and create new shapefile and name it. You can name it anything. I'm renaming it direction, and feature type will be polyline and spatial reference, and then create, and then editor, then start editing. So before that, set up a snapping option. Go to options and check use classic snapping, then click OK, and again go to editor and then snapping, and then snapping window, check all the option here, vertex, edge and end that you are using, direction, study area, CBD point. Yeah, check all, and then go to again editor and option and snapping tolerance, it will be pixels, then click OK. So from CBD point, direction and length, I'm using this direction angle for making a 16 gradient. So I will give this document in the description section so that you can download it. So you can use this angle for making gradient detection. So from CBD point, just direction and length. Right here, angle, I mean direction. Double click or finish sketch, direction and length. Direction and length. Just create a wall the direction using these angles. So 16 directions has been done. You can create for 8 gradient directions, or you can make 16 gradient direction. Finish sketch, and then editor, save edits, and then stop editing. We will do features to Polygon. So we're going to perform feature to Polygon. You can also find any tool from search box, or just write here feature to Polygon, or anything that you want. So you can see here feature to Polygon, it appears. Or you can use data management tools, then features, then feature to Polygon. Just double click here, and input features will be directions. Then click OK. So feature to Polygon has been done. Just go to attribute table for feature to Polygon of direction. You will find here some more direction, I mean more than 16. Add field direction, and type will be text, as I'm going to write direction, I mean north, south, northeast. Anyway, you just have to delete the extra direction from here. You have to check one by one. Just delete, yeah, this one need to be deleted. Before that, start editing feature to Polygon. Just delete the extra direction, extra polygon. Just delete extra polygon from here, and we have created 16 direction. Yes, it has done. Now we will put the direction name one by one. Just write the direction name. Southwest. Just check these documents and write. Yeah, the angle name, I mean the direction name has been done. Then save edits, and then stop editing. So you can see here two options, I mean 2 points, direction feature and CVD multiple ring buffer. So we will merge these two files into one file. So we will use union tool. Just add to direction and CBD buffer. Yeah, just start editing. Direction feature to Polygon Union. Yes, this on. Just delete the extra part. I mean extra polygon from here. Make it hollow, and you can go to layer properties and label field direction label features in this layer. Just check in and then go to expression direction and distance, as we are going to display both direction and distance, and verify the expression is valid, and then click OK, apply, then OK. You can see here the direction symbol and distance as well. Yeah, direction and distance. I hope now you can create gradient direction either with 16 or 8 gradient directions. In the next part, I will show you how to calculate urban areas or built up areas based on the gradient directions and distances, uh, such as the area of built up areas in 2, 4, 6, or 8 kilometers and in which direction. Also, we will prepare urban expansion mapping based on these findings. I hope you will benefit from these tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and happy.